Dr. Eddie's Happy Cappy, known as a Pediatrician solution, is proud to debut a moisturizing cream for soothing dry, itchy, irritated, sensitive, eczema-prone skin for children of all ages, and is formulated to hydrate skin all day. This clinically tested moisturizing cream protects and restores the delicate skin barrier. Adults with sensitive skin can expect similar results. It soothes without any stinging sensation. Fast absorbing and not greasy, Happy Cappy Moisturizing Cream is infused with natural ingredient Licorice Root Extract to help soothe redness. Happy Cappy Moisturizing Cream is dermatologist tested and free of fragrance, dye, sulfates, paraben, and phthalates. Happy Cappy is vegan and cruelty-free. For best results, apply to face and body at least twice a day. Dr. Eddie's Happy Cappy Moisturizing Cream comes in 2 convenient formats, a 12-ounce jar with a pump top and a 6-ounce tube.